Okay, please raise your right hand. State your name, repeat after me. I having been duly elected appointed to the position of Northern Marine Noble Eagles Club of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to its legal Magna Carta, and believing in its capabilities, as a self-reliant, Fraternal Philippine Civic Organization, solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my fraternity, with my club, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations, Northern Marine Noble Eagles Club officers, 2025. Picture. We have a picture now.
Yes.
Ate Vance, nilipat namin.
Congratulations, Northern Eagles Club.
Saan na yun, ate? Yung pipirmahan ni Ate Vance. Dito.
Television.
Ito.
So we still have time. It's too early.
Okay.
Kaya dumami.
Isa lang.
We request Ate Maria Sol to sing for Can you please stand and let's welcome our Consul, Brian Jess Baguio.
Yan ang poging Vice President ng Noble Barre Noble Eagles Club. Northern Barre Noble Eagles Club in Benic.
Yan yung inaanak ko kanina, walang tingso. Gusto ko yung kanta na yan kasi.
Hindi nila
nag-play nung sabi ko, di ba sinabi ko?
or Bisaya.
Saan ba si Bernardin? Ano? Hindi, yung may
May
mga
I
check
call
yan ba?
out-
Yung may mga check yan ba?
Hello, may I call all the president here, please, in the front?
Ilagay natin ang road.
President Ruben,
Yan.
President Seba,
Nagbabayad sa kanya to.
Yomar, and Agreement President, please. Sir, you are the... Sir, what is the taking?
Ano ang title niya?
Igos.
Ha?
Igos.
Pangit kasi ng kwapo yung mga may date. Sa ba ako? Ano ko muna eh.
Pabaka ko na.
Yung kako.
Dinner, mga to.
Good evening once again, mga ate and kuya, and also I would like to acknowledge the presence of our dearest Consul Brian. And now we will proceed to fraternal inspirational message. He is a doctor of physiotherapy and working at Ministry of Social and Development, Ministry of Health, Bahrain. Let's all welcome Dr. Josinor Belbis.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Sa ating Maginoo at masipag na Consul General ng ating Embahada, Honorable Brian, sa ating Captain Noel ng ating Navy representative in Bahrain, of course sa ating Governor, at sa ating pinakamasipag na Vice Governor, ang aming Presidente si Kuya Ruben. Sa ating new elected officers, to all Kuya and Ate, magandang gabi po. From the founding of our fraternity, we continue to uphold the principle of strong sense of family and community through service. Without a doubt, our greatest assets is the number of fraternal ties and commitments deeply, meaningfully implanted in our communities. We build on the legacy that the Fraternal Order of the Eagle established in our nation, providing humanitarian aid, hoping to all members ongoing chances of leadership development. Our act of kindness have grown in a powerful force of good, inspiring optimism and inspiring community members to be a productive and better citizens, especially our children. It is all our responsibilities and duties as a member of the Fraternal Order of Eagle to look after for the betterment of each and every one of us. To the new sets of officers, we are all looking forward on you, guiding us in one direction, a better and responsible member of the Fraternal Order of Eagle. I and we salute on you. A warm welcome to our new members and congratulations to our Lady Eagle. Maraming salamat po kasi meron ng
Nadoble yung pangalan.
Together, let us work to make more prosperous and united, resilient against future shock and disruption, and to be always successful in our Fraternal Eagle. I wish you all the best in the new roles. Looking forward to seeing the great things we accomplish together. The new elected officers to the new members, and to all our new Lady Eagles, we will work together para sa ating mahal na Fraternal Eagle, sa mahal nating bayan at sa ating pamilyang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay! Maraming salamat po.